Pildi na yun. Pildi na yun pala. What type player?
Anay, jersey number 12. Tosunsyon. Bulak short. Rebound Lagunay.
Alam ka! Ano man na? O ba na ninyo dito?
Lavete. Drive. 2 points.
Para tita sino?
Jersey number 12, Mr. Anay.
Ita!
To shoot. Rebound Lagunay.
Hilang.
Pipito, challenge by jersey number 12, setting the play. To Rojo. To Clavete. 10 second shot clock. Caruana from the parking lot. Short. Out of bounds.
Pamatay sulog to.
Sige lang, sige lang. Pangay screen. Bantay!
And there's a foul. Who's foul ref? Jersey number 4, Serenio.
Puna,
Caruana.
Eh!
1 point.
Agay!
Tabang!
Lagunay. Challenge by jersey number 91. And there's a foul. What's that ref? Jersey number 9, Asuncion. Second personal foul, first team foul. The score 47-49.
Fourth.
Bubsy.
Wedo! Oy!
Rojo. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Short. Asuncion on the rebound. Asuncion drive.
Hilang.
Jersey number
Pitik
11,
ini ang
Mr.
gitawagan.
Clavete.
Bisa lang.
Second personal foul, second team foul. Stolen by Lagunay. Lagunay, nagmotor. Pass to Pipito. Lead 2 points. Walis na. 49 all. Jersey number 12, Anay, setting the play.
Ay, stepping! Ay, grabe na!
Foul ref.
Ang nasa tubangan, di ka pito. Ang nasa layo.
Substitution. Warning for foul out. 13 foul. Substitution.
Diyan. Sige, Em! Dayo na! Ay!
Remaining time last 4 minutes and 55 seconds.
Layo kayong na ang... Layo kayo ni Pito, ang nasa tubangan, wag yun diya.
4 minutes
Mamang natulo ng
55.
Pito. Ay!
1 point.
Di ay.
Pas.
Okay, push!
Tunay.
Paspas ya!
Challenge by Datu Maluk. Crossover. Drive. No foul. Out of bounds. Same position.
Sila di habi.
Palayo ko players sa Hubsy. Dapin na ta. Dili na mo makita din sa
Lingkurin ninyo, kaya dili mi kita ko na stepping.
14 seconds to shoot. Pipito. Abaw na.
Depensa!
Ay!
Tubangan!
Two points. Kanin. Labaw na ang Hubsy.
Gipush!
3:51 Lagunay. 14 second shot clock.
Lalo mo, giatay!
10 seconds.
Mo!
Pipito. a foul. Out of bounds.
Wala sila nagkuhan sa rules. Wala sila nag-favor rules. Hoy! Hoy!
Tunay.
Wow!
Nakuha ka
Wow!
to shoot.
Oh, Travis! Wow!
2 points. Jersey number 17, the smiley face of Maxi.
Dua tayo magkada-korte.
Pero wala carry. Wala carry.
Turnover. Puro ka na. Puro ka na again. Wala.
Wow!
Foul, foul. Jersey number 9, Asuncion. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 42 seconds.
Tabang. Turn by, straight.
Jersey number 77, Pipito, setting the play.
Awa di arep. Galisod ng player ah.
14 seconds to shoot. Step back play.
Depensa!
Jersey number 12, challenged by Pipito. Back to back play. Asuncion.
Sige.
Binas na na yung dress.
Straight.
Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot.
Okay, Jan! Oh, in and out.
8 seconds. 8 seconds shot clock. Wala pa. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Jersey number 12, Anay.
Nana nga score oh, wala na.
Tula tumulong.
Ay!
Dance. Back tumulong.
Singit mo Raymond.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Dili ko saka dito ha. Sit down lang.
Wag kayong tatago.
14 seconds to shoot. Rojo.
Agaya.
Wala na eh.
Rebound Clavete.
Joke lang.
10 seconds shot.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan.
6. Rebound Asuncion. Asuncion. Nagpamuli. Asuncion. To the tulog. Pulang jumper. No good. Rebound Anay. Ang dasakal. Ay, kasama ng foul. Basket pass. Jersey number 31. Gabukayan. First personal foul. Warning for team penalty. Remaining time last 2 minutes.
Uy, gawin kasi dito ano yung papatagdag. Pinagigit kita sa people, tagdos-dos.
Last 2 minutes. 1
Good
point.
Andre. Ton. Paspas eh! Balik.
There's a foul. Jersey number 9.
Pasulod Andre ba? Pagawas
Asuncion.
papap.
Warning for foul out.
Andre, pasulod.
Third
Pagawas
team
papap.
foul. Last 1 minute and 56 seconds.
Kanina na ko masagit. Alam ko.
Straight.
Salo
14 seconds to shoot.
Ay, nagpasalon.
Gabukayan fadeaway.
Defense!
And 40 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock.
Ayaw undang.
10 seconds to shoot. Kayan. Nakuha ni Jersey number 17. Elevate. Doesn't shoot again. Shot. 2 points. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Paspas dyan! Paspas na.
Clavete. And there's a foul.
Awat!
Who's foul left?
Awat! Awat!
Jersey number 17. Substitution. Basil.
Defense, bro.
First personal foul. Warning for team penalty.
Mag-defense.
Last 1 minute and 11 seconds for the fourth and final quarter.
Amen! Uncle! Uncle!
14 seconds to shoot.
Uncle! Uncle!
10 seconds to shoot.
Aray ko to!
May depensa, way mo box. Ay,
Defense!
35 seconds.
Sige!
There's a call. Jersey number 11, Clavete. Third personal foul. Penalty situation. Remaining time last 31 seconds for the fourth and final quarter. Dahog Ane fighting for championship against Team CSP.
Ano mo manghod?
Bye, Sean! Uy!
1 point.
Kung makasyan, anti mo, anti mo.
Ow. Bye, Kuya. Bye, Kuya.
Last 31 seconds.
Ano? Ano?
30.
Wala ka na, Kuya, kay Commander. Ay,
Ba na yung mga hangin.
Last 20 seconds.
ang puntang ninyo! Para di, pagtara pa!
15.
Wala ninyo ah.
Tawag rip, dugay.